My brother, come. What is the problem?
Everything is doing me. Everything is doing me.
What is the problem exactly?
I'm hungry.
Oh, because of hunger, you are complaining in the streets.
The food I ate this morning, I don't like it.
You even ate this morning. My brother, come. Where's your father?
He's at home.
Where's your mother?
She's at home.
Are you staying with them?
They should be staying with me. I'm staying with them.
You are staying with your parents, you have taken something today, and you are still complaining in the streets.
Apart from the food aspect, the money I made from my business this week, I don't like it.
You even have establishments.
I need more money.
Hey, my brother, look at me. 1 kobo I don't have.
Home and away.
I'm telling you.
Hey, scoop a 10.
And yet, I give praise to God. You that have everything, you are complaining in the streets. You better go home and practically go and thank your God. Go home and be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what you have.